Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to bulk import invoices to Xero. My Xero version is an UK one. First I'm going to show you we need to download the template from Xero, which is we can see in business menu. We click on invoices, then click import. And there is option here, if you see, like download our invoices template file. Start by downloading our invoice CSV template file. This file has the correct column heading. Xero needs to import your invoice that I already downloaded one, so I'm going to show you how it's look like. So these are the headings. Bear in mind all the asterisk sign, you need to add it. Without this it's not gonna work. And one important thing as well is the tax type, what type of tax it is, whether it's a 20% VAT or 0% or 5%. We need to choose, and we can't just write it down just the percentage. We need to write down exactly the way Xero works. Let me show you what was the Xero's chart of account. Let's do the duplicate counting chart of accounts. If we go here, say for example, if we want to put it on sales, because this all invoice going to myself, and if you see the tax rate is 20% VAT on income, if you click on that, then if we can copy the information from here, so text type, and then paste it. So these are the like I have like 20 invoices which I made for QuickBook for bulk import. Now I'm going to do the same elements for Xero. I already copied those information, but I was a bit stuck with the text type. So if you notice, that's it's not just 20%. We just copied total information in here. And also quickly review with all the information I inputted from my bulk files from QuickBooks, which is the contact name is mandatory. Obviously, if we have more details like email address and normal postal address, postcodes, we can put it, as well as invoice number, invoice date, due date, and then the description, whatever the materials or item we're selling. Then quantity, unit amount, and account code. This account code is where actually this is going, is whether it's a service income, sales income, and based on your chart of account, this like my one is 200, that's why I put 200. If you're on a different number, you can put in different number, 3 digits or 4 digits. Does not really matter as long as you follow the proper numbering system. Next is text type, and then the text amount. That's it mainly. So after that, I'm gonna download this file as a CSV, and finally I'm going to import this file. Browse and downloads. It should work here. Yeah, that's my CSV invoice. Open, import. It says the import this file contains 20 invoices. The following will be imported to the Xero. 20 new draft invoice will be imported. Complete import. So these are the all invoices I already, but I just open for saying like one, whether all the information I put in Excel, whether it's working here in Xero or not. Especially I just find it out one issues, which is I should inform that when I import this file, I didn't choose whether it's a tax inclusive or tax exclusive, because I didn't choose. By default it was a tax exclusive. That's why this minus adjustment came up. Now I'm going to delete all files and upload again and choose as a tax inclusive, Let's go for it. All the invoices. By this time we can see if we need to bulk delete the invoices from the draft. You can see, just select all and draft, so all the invoice will be deleted. Now let's import it again. Hopefully it's gonna work now. Browse, and yes, came up. And here, this is the option I forget to choose, is the unit amount field text inclusive and or exclusive. Let me show you in Excel. These are the amount. These actually inclusive because tax is already in there. So this £72 is already in here. So this is all inclusive. This I didn't choose. So I'm going to choose the text inclusive, import, complete import, and now we're going to see why that this time is working. Same invoice. Yes. Notice here my original invoice was 14,570.39 and this amount is 2,428.40. VAT is inclusive. So that's it mainly. Now you can choose your further option, whether it's been paid, whether part paid, or which